Hello and welcome to Magical Maiden's Jewelry Tutorials. I'm Magical Maiden, and today what I wanted to do is a tutorial featuring some of the items that I did in my unboxing and review for BB Crafts. Now if you haven't seen that, I will not only link that in the end screen, but I will put the link to that video below this video in the description box, along with the special links that I have for both the chain and this beautiful rose quartz pendant that I'm going to use in a jewelry tutorial today, and my discount code for 10% off your total order, and that will be Magical10, MAGIKAL, the number 10. That will be below in the description box as well as the links. So please remember, and I'll remind you again towards the end of the video, to check below this video in the description box when you're done watching this video. So what I have is these beautiful 6-piece chains, and they're really, really nice, and I do go into great detail in the unboxing and review, so for time's sake, I'm not going to go into too much detail about each of these items, as I did go into that on my unboxing and review, so be sure to watch that. I have a lot of great items on there from BB Craft. So as you can see, we got copper, we got gold, we have like a deeper copper color, we have a nice silver, a duller silver, and then like a pewter type. So I really love that there's a great selection, because it's always nice when you're making jewelry to sell or give as gifts that you have different colors and a variety of different selections. Okay. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using this beautiful pendant made of rose quartz, real rose quartz, that I got from BB Craft, and that's the back. And I'm going to show you some options that you can create a necklace. Always use a choker, or you can make one using some wire. You want the thicker the gauge, the better. And if you're not familiar with wire gauges, the lower the gauge, the thicker the wire. The higher the gauge, the thinner the wire. So you want to go as low as you can to get a nice thickness. And you only have to bend them. You don't have to get all fancy with the back. You bend one way, and then you bend one the other way. So if you can see how they're bent. And you got a choker. They're typically 16 inches around, so you might want to go 16 and a half because you are bending the ends. And if not, you could buy chokers online, any kind you want. And look, the bail fits nicely. And look, you can have that on a choker, and it would look just as nice. And I will show you what it looks like on. So here is the necklace. Here is the pendant on the choker, and that's how it would look on there. And of course you could use any kind of choker you want. You could even make a chain, and that's the way it's gonna look. I'm trying to give you it in all kinds of light. It's a cloudy day today, so I can't show you what it looks like out in the sunlight, but I'm inserting a picture of how more vibrant it really is in person. So there you go. 2 different ways. Of course, there are many other ways to hang this beautiful pendant. But in case you didn't want to do that, we could also get some chain and put together one. So the chain I want to get is, of course, the brightest silver one to match. If you want to make a choker length, between 16 and 16 and a half inches would be ideal. Or you can do what I would do. I like between 18 inches, or you could just get a mirror. I can keep a mirror in my crafting room because I don't really have one on the walls here. I keep a little handheld mirror like this, and what I do is I put the chain around myself to see how much of the chain I really want to cut before I cut it there. Because say you want to take it off your chain and put it on a metal choker or a ribbon or what have you, or you have another chain you like to, take, then you could do that. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like on the chain. Now, obviously, if you wanted to make it shorter, it could be shorter. You just have to trim a little more chain and then reinsert the jump rings. But yes, it looks very nice. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my videos. Bye.